Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more? Get ready to dive into the world of Taiwanese mutton hotpots, a symphony of flavors that will warm your soul and leave you feeling utterly satisfied. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the heart of Taiwan, exploring the rich tapestry of flavors that make mutton hotpot so special. From the aromatic broths to the tender, succulent meat, we'll unveil the secrets that make this dish a true masterpiece. So grab a bowl, settle in, and get ready to discover the magic of Taiwanese mutton hotpot. The art of Taiwanese mutton hotpot. Traditional recipes and modern twists. Mutton hotpot, a beloved Taiwanese specialty, has captured the hearts and stomachs of many. Imagine a steaming pot filled with tender, flavorful mutton, an aromatic broth, and a medley of fresh ingredients, all waiting to be dipped into a rich, savory sauce. It's a culinary experience that will leave you wanting more. What sets Taiwanese mutton hotpot apart is the harmonious blend of traditional cooking techniques and modern culinary twists. The result is a dish that is both comforting and innovative. Picture this: you and your loved ones gathered around a table, sharing stories and laughter as you indulge in this hearty meal. The warmth of the hot pot radiating not only from the food, but also from the bonds you'll create. Get ready to be captivated by the vibrant flavors that dance on your tongue. The succulent mutton, slow cooked to perfection, simply falls apart. Meanwhile, the broth, infused with aromatic spices and herbs, envelops your taste buds in a comforting embrace. As you dip your favorite ingredients into the sauce, a symphony of tastes explodes in your mouth. Each bite is a testament to the culinary artistry that goes into crafting the perfect Taiwanese mutton hotpot. It's more than just a meal. It's a celebration of flavor, a tribute to tradition, and a feast for the senses. So why wait? Dive into the world of Taiwanese mutton hotpot and discover a taste of heaven in every spoonful. Mutton Madness, the ultimate guide to Taiwanese hotpot perfection. Are you a mutton lover looking for a new way to spice up your dinner routine? Look no further than Taiwanese mutton hotpot. This hearty and flavorful dish is sure to satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Imagine tender chunks of mutton simmered to perfection in a rich aromatic broth alongside an array of fresh vegetables, soft minced crab, and other delectable toppings. It's a feast for the eyes and a delight for the taste buds. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Taiwanese mutton hotpot that will transport you straight to the bustling night markets of Taipei. We'll guide you through each step, sharing tips and tricks to ensure your hotpot is a bubbling success. So grab your apron and get ready to unleash your inner chef. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, our easy-to-follow instructions will have you whipping up a delicious mutton hotpot in no time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to tantalize your taste buds and impress your guests. Click now and let the mutton madness begin. Warm your soul with Taiwanese mutton hotpot, the comfort food you need. Looking for a comforting and nourishing meal that will warm your soul? Look no further than Taiwanese mutton hotpot. This traditional dish is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a culinary masterpiece that will satisfy your cravings for something hearty and wholesome. Picture this, a rich and flavorful mutton broth simmered to perfection with tender chunks of mutton, an array of fresh vegetables, and a generous helping of soft minced crab. As you indulge in this piping hot pot, you'll feel your worries melt away. In this video, we'll take you on a culinary journey to Taiwan, where we'll explore the authentic flavors and cooking techniques that make Taiwanese mutton hot pot so special. You'll learn how to create a broth that is so rich and aromatic, it will transport you straight to the heart of Taiwan. Plus, we'll show you how to perfectly cook the mutton and prepare the vegetables to complement the robust flavors. Don't forget the finishing touch, a dollop of our special sauce that will take your hot pot to a whole new level of deliciousness. Get ready to experience a comforting and nourishing meal that will leave you feeling warm and satisfied. So why wait? Click now and discover the magic of Taiwanese mutton hot pot. Your taste buds will thank you. Unleash your inner chef, mastering the art of Taiwanese mutton hot pot. Have you ever wanted to unleash your inner chef and create a culinary masterpiece? Look no further than Taiwanese mutton hot pot. This hearty and flavorful dish is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling like a master chef. Picture this, a steaming pot filled with tender chunks of mutton, an aromatic broth, and an array of fresh vegetables and toppings. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will impress your family and friends. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of creating a Taiwanese mutton hot pot that is not only visually stunning, but also bursting with authentic flavors. You'll learn how to balance the rich, savory broth with the succulent mutton and how to prepare the perfect vegetables to complement the dish. We'll also share some insider tips and tricks to ensure your hot pot is a bubbling success. So grab your apron and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, our easy-to-follow instructions will help you master the art of Taiwanese mutton hot pot. So why wait? Click now and let your inner chef shine.